We started small with just one room and a big dream.
Today, that dream is Nebs-IT, a team of visionaries and builders.
Every smart solution starts with solid strategies and sound numbers.
We don't just code, we solve real problems with clean technology.
From concept to completion, we keep your project on point.
Solutions don't sell themselves. We guide, we build trust.
Challenges, pressures, that's the fuel for the team.
Time zones, deadlines. We run like clockwork every shift.
People are our power. I help them thrive.
Design starts with the user. We keep it smart and simple.
Every tab, every scroll, it's all about experience.
I turn wireframes into smooth user journeys.
From fonts to feeling, we make your brand unforgettable.
We don't post, we spark conversations that convert.
Design is emotion. We craft every pixel with purpose.
No SEO, no traffic, simple. I build lightning-fast interfaces that feels like human.
We create smart and stunning websites that deliver. Learning every day, beginning with purpose.
I am here to learn, grow, and leave my mark.
Secure, scalable, seamless. That's my code.
Behind every click, there is my database.
Let's build your future together.
We are Nebs-IT, driven by passion, powered by people.